Carnegie Mellon University will use cough data from sleep cycle to improve forecasting, partnering with the Delphi Research Group, which has forecast disease since 2012. Sleep cycle, used by over 1 million users for sleep analysis, records breaths, coughs and sneezes. The Delphi Group will fuse this cough data with existing models to predict flu, RSV and COVID outbreaks and alert health systems early. Traditional indicators, positive tests, hospitalizations, plus data like Google searches, thermometer purchases and insurance claims are already used. The CDC backed Delphi by creating a National Center of Excellence for Influenza Forecasting in 2019 and funding it with 5-year, $17.5 million grant in 2023. Sleep Cycle's cough radar maps cough levels. The collaboration may help hospitals adjust staffing and nursing home operations earlier. Privacy is emphasized. Data are aggregated to prevent identification. Sleep Cycle has 3.4 million monthly users and 1 million daily, with 3 billion nights of sleep.